Hey, what's going on, everybody? I thought I'd make a really cool video about how I clean my carboys, my 5-gallon and 6-gallon carboys for that I use for home brewing. I have the brush that everybody uses, the curved brush, and I found a way better technique with the brush. And when I showed it to the guys at the homebrew shop, they were like, "Whoa, okay, I think I'm gonna start doing that." So I figured I'd share it with the world because it's so simple and you can literally clean your carboy in probably a minute. Even if you let it sit a while and it's got like a yeast ring built up in it, still takes about a minute or two with this technique. And all right, here we go, I'll show you now. Okay, as you can see, I got the standard curved bristle brush with the long shaft. And what I've done is I've pinched the handle enough so it fits into my drill, the chuck of my drill. So basically, all you gotta do is this. Just get it into the carboy and start cleaning. You don't want to beat around too much against the glass, so be kind of careful. It's inevitable that it will, but it cleans that top part so well. It's kind of hard to see because I'm in the shade. It's also much easier if you use two hands. So I had to bust the tripod out and I moved it into the sun so you can kind of see it in action a little bit better. But there's really no science behind it besides the fact that you're using a power tool to get the job done. Get it wet. You can start at the bottom. Get that bottom nice and clean. And then just work your way up. Really get that top clean there. Sides. A variable speed drill, obviously better than a something you can control the speed. You get that top real good. Bam. That's it. Clean. Hope you liked it. Saves so much time. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Oh, it's 4th of July, so happy 4th of July, everybody. Actually, I guess the next step is to dump out the dirty water, rinse it. I got a little bit of soap in here, so I'm gonna rinse out all the soap. Maybe do it with some fresh water one more time so you can actually see if there's anything left behind. Rinse it out real good again, and then just, get some star sand in there, swish it around. And I always put a piece of saran wrap on the top with a rubber band, and that just keeps it from keeps any dust from getting back in there if you're not going to be using them right away. And then that thing's ready to go. I leave a little bit of star sand in the bottom too when I'm storing them, and that way right before I'm about to use it, swish, 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 dump out the star sand and pour in your wort, or transfer to the secondary from your primary. All right, guys, like I said, 4th of July, I'm just getting ready to get these clean. About to tap some fresh brewed beer here tonight, and yeah, have a good day. I guess one more thing I forgot to tell you is that when I do this outside, I like to use these corrugated plastic roof panels. I don't do it on the grass because it ends up just kind of, when you're spraying them off, kicks back dirt and mud onto the carboy. I can just take both of these, store them on the side of the house when I'm not using them. If I need to pressure wash something, I'll lay these out, get my pressure washer out, spray whatever I need to spray. Actually, I just cleaned an old outdoor rocking chair off that had a bunch of dirt on it. But yeah, I love these things, man. I don't like to put these on the concrete, and I used to use a piece of plywood, but plywood's so dang expensive nowadays, so I just picked up 2 of these things, and I've been using them for years now. I've probably had them 7 years. One of them's got a little crack in the side, but I don't care. And yeah, there you go, some tips and tricks. And if you like what you saw, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll try to post some more interesting stuff for you guys. All right, have a good day. I guess I'll show you a little bit of how I rinse them out and make sure that, you know, get all the suds out, and that way they are nice and sparkling clean. You probably have to do this like, I don't know, 3 or 4 times till you don't see any more soapy suds. You probably won't even need to use the brush again. If you get it good the first time. If you do need to use your brush again, just clean the brush off so it doesn't have any soap on it. And give it a good spin in there again. But man, this one's crystal clear, I don't know, sparkling clean. I use the fan setting so it sprays down the sides too. And yeah, I don't see any more soap. So this one's gonna get some star sand. And we'll get capped up. I don't really measure, I just pour a little bit in there. I'm not going to fill up the full 5 gallons. Obviously, I'm just going to put in enough to sanitize it. Keep the foam. Don't fear the foam. Bam. Clean. Love it. So fast. Got 3 more to do, but I'll be done with these in about 10 minutes. All right. I guess I'll show you too my saran wrap tech. It's just a little piece of saran wrap. Dry it off. Over the top, stretch it tight, pull her down, and a rubber band. That's good to go. And it keeps that top clean too. Boom, there you go. This is gonna go into storage until I'm ready to use it next. So yeah, that's how I do it.